about changes of matter. Matter is anything that has mass or occupies space. Matter can also exist as solid, liquid, or gas. When the temperature changes, their state also changes. There are several changes of matter caused by temperature. First is melting. Melting happens when a solid is heated and turns into a liquid. For example, an ice cube melts, turns into water when heated under the sun. Second is freezing. Freezing happens when a liquid is cooled and turns into a solid. For example, water becomes ice when placed in a freezer. Third is evaporation. Evaporation happens when water is heated and turns into gas. For example, wet clothes dry because water evaporates to the air. Fourth is condensation. Condensation happens when gas is cooled down and turns into a liquid. For example, water droplets form on the outside of a water bottle because water vapor in the air cools down. Lastly is sublimation. Sublimation happens when a solid turns into a gas without turning into a liquid first. For examples are mothballs, dry ice, which slowly disappear over time. Changes happen because of temperature. Heating can cause melting and evaporation, while cooling can cause condensation and freezing. Understanding these changes can help us explain what we see in our daily lives. Thank you for watching.